In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with Twitch error code 1000. Why play a video on your PC or laptop, and if you're going through this kind of issue, this is what we have to do. So the first thing is all about what you need to do is we have to try open a Twitch, and from here you have to go over here at the top and you have to click on this. And from here what you need to do is we have to navigate to the cookies and site data, and from here you have to click on manage on device site data. And from here you can see we have a lot of things here. We have to delete these one by one. Once everything's deleted, you have to go over here as well. There is a lot of things which you have to delete it. Just do it one by one. Once everything is deleted, just go for the done. And right now it might ask you to do a reload on a page. You have to click on the reload. So this will be reloaded back. And after this, you have to check. If still the issue is there, what you need to do is we have to click over here at the top once again. And from here we need to navigate to the site setting. Now from here it says the usage is around 12.1 KB. So we have to click on the delete here and just go for the delete. Now we just need to go back and we have to check. Still, if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to minimize the Twitch here. From here we have to go to the search. We need to type here for CMD and we have to click on run as administrator and we have to go for the yes. Now we need to type ipconfig. Then we have to put a space / go for flush DNS. And we have to press enter, and we need to type NETSH, put a space, go for windsock, then go for reset, and we have to just press enter. Once this is done, we have to do a restart on a computer, and after the restart is done, we just need to go back and we have to check. And also parallelly, there is one more thing. One of the reasons why the Twitch error that is happening right now while playing any kind of video is one of the culprit is the OBS. So we need to go to the OBS and click on the settings, and from here click on the output and make sure the bit rate is being set into 6000 or around to it. It should not be more than 6000. That is the reason. So try changing the bit rate to 6000 and just go for it OK, and you have to check with it, and these are the steps. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.